When it comes to business, finding the right place, surrounded by the right people, with the right skill set and innovation, can be difficult, even impossible.
We both design and manufacture in Essex computer boards for critical applications.
We're a monthly subscription to protect the things that actually matter to you, with 25% of what we make going to a charity that you as a customer get to select.
We help bring customers' products to life from literally a sketch on a piece of paper through to production and help them innovate and solve engineering challenges.
We're a UK diagnostics company, disruptive. Our specialist subject is self-testing.
Who work with industry and academia in commercialising technologies of the future.
So imagine the business opportunities somewhere with a multitude of links to cities, ports and airports.
One of the great benefits of being based here is our transport links. We have such great proximity to London, as well as the ability to easily travel by air, sea, road, train. Makes it easy for us to do business with customers on a global scale and our suppliers.
We're very close to Felixstowe and London Gateway. We've got road access out towards the north and the south of England. For us, getting products out to customers next day all the way to Scotland is important.
Swan itself was actually founded here in Basildon 27 years ago. It comes across as a powerhouse of an area that is really dynamic, lots of entrepreneurial spirit around.
There is just a really good environment, I think, to have that work-life balance. Plus there's plenty of kind of sporting events and pubs, great restaurants, obviously.
Imagine being surrounded by motivated, inspirational people from all walks of life.
The people here are fantastic, so friendly and so smart. It's like a more positive version of London.
The best thing about Essex is definitely the people. Without the people, we wouldn't be able to deliver what we have achieved over the past 15 years.
I think we have our own character here. You'd recognise if you walked around the factory, fun-loving people that are really proud of what they do.
Imagine the ideas and vision that would exist in an area surrounded by some of the best universities in the world.
Talent is incredibly important. Anglia Ruskin is in Chelmsford. They've got an incredibly good mechanical department. University of Essex got a very good software department. We bring some of their students through on paid internships. One of our young engineers at the moment came through that route and he's incredibly successful. We will soon be putting him forward for a national award. And we have a fantastic apprentice scheme. And we have many people that choose to work with us for decades. 40, 50 years isn't unusual within our employee base.
The talent is absolutely key. The infrastructure and the accessibility are all vital parts of what Essex can deliver to us.
It's a perfect ecosystem for a business to grow and succeed in.
Imagine a culture that drives to break the status quo, time and time again.
We've won the Queen's Award for Innovation this year, which we're so proud of. We do try and raise the bar with everything that we do.
Off-site construction as a whole is quite innovative just because of the nature of the sector. For a housing association to have even gone into off-site construction is basically unheard of in the country.
The way that we develop our systems in line with our web technology is a huge part of innovation.
Our ability to take an idea or solve a customer's problem and then commercialise it, that's really what drives our people, that's what excites us.
There is an expectation of our engineering services being innovative by their very nature. Inherently, we're solving a customer's problem.
Imagine a place that boasts the infrastructure that enables your business to innovate, grow and thrive.
We have a lot of plans on how we're going to develop. We'll be looking to do that in Essex, based in Colchester.
I hope we can really springboard now and become a really big player in Essex.
And we're also really excited about opportunities to reach out and partner with the local council and with other small businesses to drive more innovation in this area and look at how we can collaborate to do that more effectively.
We've got international hubs, but we will stay based in Essex because there's no boxes that it doesn't tick.
Why imagine? When it comes to business, Essex is the place. Now and for the future.